The topic is Bayesian belief network. Okay, theoretical concept I will cover later. Directly how to solve the problem by using Bayesian belief network. See, in exam they will give this diagram. Okay, in this diagram having graph. Okay, the graph having direct edges. It's a acyclic graph. Okay, there is no cyclic edges here. Okay, Bayesian belief network. Okay, the basic condition is the having there is a relativity with the condition probability. Okay, the acyclic graph they will use for acyclic graph. Listen here. See, the question is asking the find probability of having weight graphs by using Bayesian belief network. See, they will give all these values. You have to find weight graphs, total probability. Okay, what is the probability of weight graphs by using this value? See, these are all given. Okay, windy probability is 0.001. Windy is not depending on any other parameter. Okay, cloudy probability is 0.002 because independent. Cloudy. Okay, rain having depend on wind and cloud. Okay, the see rain depends on these two parameters. They shown this diagram. Okay, there rain is depending on wind and cloud. That's why there are there's W is indicate wind, C for cloud. Okay, see what are the possibility? There are wind is there, true. The return is true. That indicate wind and cloud. Wind and cloud are positive. Okay, it is there in climate. Okay, the possible probability is 0.95. Okay, if you wind is there, the true, cloud is false. That means that there is a climate is wind. There is no cloud formation, but the rain is probability is 0.95. They given the values. Okay, there is no wind, false. Cloud is there, but rain probability is 0.29. Okay, there is no wind, there is no cloud. Okay, in atmosphere. Okay, weather the climate condition that day, but probability of rain is expected is 0.001. Okay, wet grass. Okay, directly depend on rain. Rain is depending on these two parameters. But what they are saying that wet grass depend on rain. Okay, this also they given. Okay, rain true or false. If rain happen, the wet grass probability is 0.95. If rain is not happen, wet grass probability is 0.5. Now, like that, take off work that also written. Take off work also depend on rain. That true or false. The values are given like that. Okay, question is they ask find the probability of having wet grass. Okay, wet grass. We will write simple formula. What is it to find probability of wet grass? The wet grass here. See the wet grass. This is the wet grass. The wet grass depend on rain. See, wet is happen. Okay, when rain is there. Also, not rain. The probability is value will be different. When rain is happen is 0.95. When rain is not happen 0.5. See how to write condition probability. Probability of wet grass. Wet grass. It can be written as this is wet grass depend on. Okay. Probability of wet grass. Okay, depend on. Okay, that depend on two way. Okay. Wet grass. I'm writing wet grass is W. Or wet grass WG. It is depend on what? Rain. If a rain, R indicate is a rain. Then into probability of R. You have to write. That is a condition probability. Plus there is a wet grass is possible. Wet grass WG. It's possible without rain also. That is born. Not rain, you can write like this. Some of the book they are going to like this. Both are fine. Not, you can, this symbolize for not. Okay, I will go for this is better one. Okay, not rain. Not rain. Okay, probability of this not rain directly. Okay, you have to take this way. Okay, then what's the value of it will be wet gross when rain? See, wet gross when rain is true. True either one. Okay, when rain is there, what is the probability of wet gross? It is 0.95 into probability of rain plus. What is the probability of wet gross or not rain? Not rain means rain is not there and is false. That is 0.05. 0.05 into probability of not rain. Okay, consider this is equation. Okay, this is equation 1. Keep it like that. Say this is a probability of rain, probability of not rain, that have to be evaluated next. See, okay, when equation 1 is finished, keep it like that. They have to substitute this one and this values. How to find for that? What is the probability of rain? Probability of rain. You have to find probability of rain. See, probability of rain. Okay, probability of rain is depending on what? Wind and cloud. The two parameters. Probability of rain depends on wind and cloud. There are 4 possible combinations. When two values there are 4 possible combinations. All the combinations you have to write. See, probability of rain, okay, depend on 2 parameters on wind and cloud. You have to write probability of, okay, rain depend on wind and cloud. When the wind is there, true idaga wind. You have to write wind. When wind is there, then you have to multiply with the probability of, okay, wait. Probability of one minute. Probability of wind intersection then cloud. Not write like this. Plus, okay, then you have to write second possible combination. Probability of rain. There is a wind. There is no rain. Sorry, there is a wind. There is no cloud. Wind is there. False is the cloud. No cloud. You have to write no cloud can be written as, okay, this way. That is indicated as a no cloud, not cloud actually meaning. Okay, into probability of wind in mutual inclusion of C. Next one, plus next combination, probability of rain depend on not wind. There is no wind but cloud is there. On that time, probability of not wind, mutual exclusion and the intersection you have to write C. Plus last combination, false. That means that what is the probability of rain when there is no wind, there is no cloud, then into probability of there is no wind, intersection, no cloud. The probability of R, rain, then value have to substitute. What is the value when rain, there is a wind and cloud? The wind true and cloud also true, the probability is 0.95 into this have to write probability of wind okay, mutual exclusion wind and cloud. That actually formula is there is wind and cloud is not depending on any other parameter. Wind and cloud, okay, they are independent. That can be written as the wind inclusion of cloud can be written as PW into PC. That is what you have to expression here. PW into PC, like that. Then next one is there is a wind. Sorry, there is when the probability of rain, there is a wind and no cloud. It is 0.95 into probability of, that can be split into probability of not cloud, plus this can be, there is a, what is the probability of when there is a not wind and a cloud? It is 0. Okay, 0.5